Tips to treat dry cough. Probiotics. Probiotics are microorganisms that can provide a host of health benefits. While they don't relieve a cough directly, they do help to balance your gastrointestinal flora. Peppermint. Peppermint leaves are well known for their healing properties. Menthol and peppermint can help soothe the throat and may make breathing seem easier. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used traditionally for many ailments over the years, including coughing. Its active compound, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory properties.